Hello guys, welcome to Cheese Kitchen channel. Today I'm going to make red chili chutney. This is a very yummy, spicy, tangy, everything in together chutney and also super easy to make. Now let's see how to make this yummy and easy chutney. I'm going to saute a few ingredients. I'm going to add oil in the pan. To the oil I'm adding mustard seeds, Urad Dal, Channa Dal, Asafoetida. So I'm going to let this sit for about a few seconds, just that it turns a little bit brown. Next I'm going to add small onions and garlic. I'm going to saute it for a minute. So it's been a minute. I'm going to add red chilies. So I'll be sauteing the red chilies for about a minute. So I cooled the mixture for some time. I'm adding it in the mixie. So I added a little bit of water to deglaze the pan. Next I'm adding a little bit of tamarind, a little bit of coconut, some roasted gram dal and some rock salt. So I'm gonna add, just sprinkle some water and grind this to a nice fine puree. So yes guys, red chili chutney is ready. I'm gonna have this with some uttapam. It's actually so easy, isn't it? And it's also a spicy chutney. Hope you guys try it and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.